How to turn off likes notifications on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off likes notifications on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Instagram. Go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting. Click on the second option, which is notifications, and now click on the second option, post stories and comments, and you have likes. You can choose off or from people I follow or from everyone. I'm gonna click on off to turn off likes and notifications. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.